And I'm back. It is International Women's Day weekend. Today I will be going to Boiler Room and doing an International Women's Day live show. So I'm going to try and film as much as I can, but I don't know if it's going to be enough. So let's hope I get all the most important bits in. And I've also got some help today from my friend Antonia from uni. So big up Antonia. Big up all the girls today as well. I've got a big lineup. Yeah, it's gonna be a great one. How amazing today is. Yesterday, I kid you not, it rained from morning until night and it was just mad. So, spring, summer. So we're here in the studio and I'm joined by some fantastic ladies. Hi. And we're getting prepped for today's International Women's Day event and it's going to be amazing. The sun is shining. So here is everything before the show started. This is what you don't get to see. I'm actually going to start setting up some of these wireless mics for the artists. I'll be getting into that a little bit later. DJ setup and connecting via a long loom. Here's the famous sound desk again. You've all seen this before. Are you okay?
I just like lifted up this computer and just yanked the hard drive.
So there are multiple things here that I've had to set up. It's a lot more complicated than the other crowdsource show that I showed you before. We've got, I think this is an 8x8 loom XLR. Loom is just like it's one thick cable like this that's got all these buttons on it so that you don't have loads of cables. It keeps it a lot neater. And so that's sort of just going through this hole and you can actually see the next room through there. So it's all going through there so that I can connect everything from this side of the room into the next.
Yeah.
This is the hole on the other side. So everything's getting connected to it. Sorry, clear. The DJs are going into the loom on this side, which is up here. The lighting's not great at the moment, but it's fine. And here I've put the wireless receivers. I'll do some more talking on this in a second. The reason why they're in here is so that the antennas here can then connect to the wireless mics for the MCs that are going to be in here, so there's no interference and they get a nice clean signal. This is it before it starts. They are SM58 mics, pretty standard for live show events. You can turn them on at the bottom here. Don't watch my nails. Turn them on. And you can just about see on the screen here.
Do the vlog?
Yeah.
Nice.
Actually, you can't really see. Let's try it this way. But you can just about see on the screen like what channel it's going to. Okay, so here it says channel 1. And then on the receiver inside that room down there, what we just seen, that's going to have the same channel on it, just so that they can all read each other, and it's going to be great. So one thing I haven't mentioned or talked about is the main PA system here. Now we use the Void sound system, and I'm going to flip the camera around. Got one there, one here, and one there. And so basically what that gives is a full surrounding sound. And have the Void monitors for the DJ to control, and how those are connected are through at the back here, and they're running along these speak-on cables. And this is one thing that I need to show you is the amps that powers the whole of the speaker system for the Void, and they're going to go into the back here. I'm going to actually just take a picture now and swap to that so you can see. And so with that picture you can see two blue and grey speak-on input connections, and those that go straight into the amp so that they can now send signal from the speakers into the amp. And now what we need to do is, because the focus of using these monitors on the DJ booth is because they're booth monitors, and the connection out of the booth is via jack, which is on most mixers, you can see it, but at the back here it's just there. And so that allows the DJ to then control their own sound, which you can see on the mixer, just there. If this isn't clear to you, because I know I'm rushing a little bit because I have to get these things done quickly and I'm also trying to film at the same time, please leave some questions below and I'd be more than happy to do a whole separate video explaining all the terms, why these things happen, and even the order of doing them as well. So yep, that's the main speakers. So basically that jack connection is then going to end up for the booth. That's going to end up going through to these XLRs, which then I'm going to cue the picture now. So in the picture you'll see in C and in D, and those are the XLR connections that the cables I just showed you are going to go into, and that's how the DJ is going to be able to control the sound through the monitors.
Hey,
so we're here, it's Cleo. We've been working together since day one. 3rd International Women's Day in a row together. Yay! And friend, Sophia, long-time friend, and Tony, she's helping me today. We went to uni together. Yeah, we're in Boss.
do you remember the International Women's Day where you have the
I had a massive breakdown.
glass of beers all over your laptop?
Yes, I would like to forget that.
It happens to everyone, it happens to everyone.
Yeah, it does. But it got saved, so it's all good. And it will be better. The show's gonna start soon and the stress is gonna begin, but it's gonna be cool. So see you in a sec. Oh, it's in full swing. You can see the artist through there. Here we go. Crowd is going through it. So this is what's going out on the live broadcast right now. So we've got 2 mixes going on. We've got the main that's going to that room, and then we've got the 9 and 10 mix that's going to the broadcast. So we've got 2 mixes. Right now we're listening to the broadcast mix. And watch how the faders move. That's because I'm now listening to the in-house mix via the headphones. Most important thing is to listen to the broadcast right now, because I can already hear the in-house sound.
Love is bad, ain't none fast. Love is bad. What do you like? For a moment they go.
So that was an extremely quick, condensed video of how to set up a live show for an actual DJ performance for musicians and singers and artists, which is different from the previous video that I have uploaded for crowdsourced at Boiler Room. And I'm really excited that you also got to see some of the previous International Women's Days that I've been involved with Boiler Room over the past 3 years. Thank you all for tuning in, and I really hope that you got to learn some valuable information about how to deal with a situation setting up a live performance and live show for broadcast. Noudle Sound's been in the making for over a year, and it's insane that it's even out now and I'm filming these videos. I feel like it's been such a long process and I'm finally here, which is amazing. But please like, comment and subscribe, and share my YouTube channel to anyone that you think might be interested in sound engineering. I'm actually going to be putting up videos and interviews and other conversations with people. That's sort of like what my vision is for the future. It will be more than just tutorials. Also comment on maybe what you guys want to see. Are there things that you've been struggling with? It could be to do with DJing or just anything to do with music in general. I'd be more than happy to help. Give this video a thumbs up. You've been watching Noudle Sound.